Hi everyone, I am Felipe. I'm in the program of Broadcasting TV and Independent Production, and today I want to share with you a little bit of my journey on this third semester through my big project, which is my short film. This project was developed throughout the semester in collaboration with my classmates. First, I should mention that during the previous semesters, we acquired the foundation skills necessary to reach this important stage of production. We learned about cameras, equipment, storytelling, and post-production systems. This semester, we combine all of that knowledge into a single short film project. The short film process began with defining an idea, following the guidelines provided by our instructors, which then evolved into our script. We created characters, selected locations, gathered props, and planned every detail. We also had opportunities to practice lighting techniques, camera movements, and post-production skills to prepare ourselves and apply them to the project as effectively as possible. In my case, I even acted in a classmate's project. It was a lot of fun. Finally, we reached the shooting stage. And thanks to the planning we did as a team, everything went smoothly. The shots were executed as planned, and actions were precise, and the entire process ran seamlessly. The filming day was especially enjoyable, exhausting at times, but always fun in the end. In the final stage of the project, we brought it to life through the post-production, incorporating sound, effects, music, and more. Ultimately, it was a fulfilling project that taught us a lot, and in my case, further fueled my passion for producing and exploring new techniques. I hope to share another piece with you soon. Bye!